Wow. Yeah. And people ask me, why would you want to live all the way out that far out of town? Why would I want to do that? So I can see this right here. Yep. Over the horizon, way back on the back of the farm. Moon's coming up. Right about midnight in the Eastern time zone. Wow. In all its beauty, man. Something. If anybody can believe or think there's not a creator that created all of this, I don't know how you couldn't believe it. That is just absolutely amazing. All of this. It's just like the sun coming up in the morning. It'll come up exactly where that moon is. Creeping up over that hill right there. A little bit at a time. It's amazing. And it goes down right behind me in the evening. Unbelievable, folks. It's just something you gotta see. All you can hear is the bugs that you hear in the background. There'll be some dogs in the distance. Some coyotes howling from time to time. And right now I smell a skunk a little bit, so I'm going to end this. But folks, if you don't know God, try. You're missing out. Wonderful thing that you can't just get without going to Him and asking. But it's easy. You just have to mean it. God bless you. There's some coyotes howling right now. I hope you can hear that. All the heck in the background, not very far back either. My cows are up front. They're just right below us down here. You might have heard them sniffing. This is awesome. You don't know until you're here. You can see stars a little bit, kind of over top of that tree right there, shining. The camera will focus on them. It's hard to get them to focus. And I was going up a while ago, they wouldn't focus. Folks, there isn't anything more calming than when you've had a bad day or something on your mind as a nice summer evening, nice, cool, crisp, feeling like fall evening, but 1st of August. This is like next month. And here it is. Wonderful, folks. Wonderful. If you stopped in to watch this, I hope you got something out of it. I hope God touches your heart. It's the only chance we have, folks, getting out of here. That's it. I hope you believe in it. And if you don't, I pray for you. God bless y'all. Have a good evening.